Hey guys, I just want to say before the video begins, my dog was actually barking in the background. I didn't realize it at the time. So if there's a few dog barks in the background, please try to ignore them and enjoy the video. Hey guys, so in this video I just wanted to show you how to bhop in Apex Legends. So bhopping can actually be a really good competitive advantage. If you know how to bhop, you can get away from lots of situations that you normally couldn't get out of. You can outrun, you can heal while running at the same pace that you were sprinting at. I'm not the best at it, so I don't know if I'm the best for a tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys anyways. So pretty much the first thing you want to do is you want to rebind your jump to mouse wheel down or up, either one. To do that, you just go to your mouse and keyboard in your settings, go to jump, change the scroll wheel down as jump. Where whenever you're scrolling your mouse wheel down, you just constantly are jumping like this. And then what you want to do is you want to get enough momentum like that by doing a slide. To do a slide, if you don't know, you jump and then you crouch. You should do that, but that's how you do that. And then you just keep on doing it, and you should have enough speed to do anything. See, I'm just bhopping right now. You can tell how my speed is getting a lot higher. Now, the basics of bhopping is just jumping, and then when you're holding A, you move you hold A when you're going left, and then you hold D and you move your mouse to the right when you're going to the right. So this jumping, you keep jumping constantly. A left, D right. So to do that, you just want to jump A D A D A D A D A D A D. But if you don't have your momentum, and the air strafing on this engine is really weird. I don't really know it that much. But you should be pretty fast. Like, see, that's a lot faster than just walking right there. Okay, so now, after you get your med kit, and you are just currently wanting to bhop, I don't know where that annoying robots come from. What you do is you get your momentum, you jump around, okay. Ah, crap, it's not very fast. But anyways, this is still faster than normal. Oh, I canceled it. See, sometimes you can cancel it, but not always. Oh, wait, I think no, yeah, see. So you're going way faster than normal. You just gotta be careful not to click a whole bunch of different buttons and stuff, because if you do that, then it'll obviously cancel it. Hey guys, so during the editing of the bhop video, I just now realized that I didn't record an outro, so I just want to say, leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sure that it's not the best bhop tutorial, and the edits aren't that good. Like, I cut it out of order, some of the things, so I had to kind of mess around with it and make it look as good as I can. It's not the best. I'll have better videos in the future. Just let me know if you guys want me to make any more gaming tutorials, or just stay with like fixes for crashing and stuff. So thanks for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.